It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading. I'm in the woods today and I wanted to try out my Alaskan sawmill, but I told myself I have to wait until I'm done cutting my firewood because that's what I do. I get distracted and I don't finish what I have to. So I finished up cutting my firewood and I just wanted to try out my new Alaskan sawmill. I didn't have a chance to go buy a longer bar for it and get a ripping chain for it, so we are just going to try it with my 18-inch bar and my normal chain. I'm sure we're going to be able to just at least make a board or two with it anyway, so I just wanted to see how it worked. So let's go. So this is what I used to make my first cut. They're just plates with a bunch of little holes in them, 2 slots that I can sit my bars in. So that'll give me a flat surface to do my first cut. All I do is I use a level, make sure it's level, go to the other side, and we'll make sure that's level too. Find it easier to put one in. Get the level. Look at that, that's actually pretty smooth. This is the first cut with my holzfforma Alaskan sawmill, and it did a great job. And the chainsaw held up. Makes you wonder when you run it that long, but I want to at least make 1 or 2 boards out of this, and then I'm going to get out of the mosquitoes because this is crazy. I'm going to set the Alaskan sawmill to 1 inch, and then we're going to see how it does. Okay, so we'll set it at 1 inch. Tighten this one. Okay, so we're ready to give this a try. Wow. Burnt through a tank of fuel. I guess I'll have to fuel it up every time I make a cut. That's crazy. Wow. That came out pretty decent for a 18-inch bar and a normal chain. I'm sure if I actually get a ripping chain on there and a longer bar, it'll definitely go a lot faster. But that is pretty good. Sometimes you just gotta go try something. I've been holding off trying that Alaskan sawmill, and at least I got one board, so that's good. So you guys have a good one.